Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and good day everyone. Right, so today is our asynchronous lecture for week number 5. Right, so continuing from our Google Meet class last week, week 4. Okay, so by now, right now we are discussing second part of ODE, particularly on the third technique to solve first order differential equation, which is using the exact equation method. Alright, so in our Google Meet class, okay, you have understand on how to find the partial derivative, okay, for example, del u over del x or del u over del y, respect to y and respect to x. And then remember, we also have done the test for exactness where we have del m over del y is equals to del n over del x. Kalau siapa yang dengar video ni lepas tu dia macam tak tahu apa benda saya cakap sekarang ni, better you dengar dulu recorded lecture for Google Meet class last week yang saya dah upload kat Google Classroom. Okay, sebab kalau you tak faham yang lepas tu, when you trying to follow with the rest of the lecture that I'm going to discuss with you now, saya ragulah untuk awak faham. Okay, so please have a look dekat recorded lecture tu dulu. Alright, so as what I've said during our Google Meet class last week, okay, now today we will straight away discuss on the technique to solve using exact equation method by solving these 3 examples. Okay, so kalau you ingat saya ada bagi tahu during last lecture, this is the method that how we are going to obtain the solution. There are 2 methods sebenarnya. Sama ada you nak guna the formula u equals to integration of m dx plus with iy. Okay, this is the first one. Or the second one, you use integration of n dy plus ix. Both will result by write the same answer. Okay, will result the same answer. Yang MDX ni ada di-explainkan kat sini. Alright, so I'm not going to discuss theoretically on the methods how to solve this. Okay, saya rasa macam kalau saya pun saya tak nak dengar sangat. Alright, so let's try to straight away discuss through an example. Alright, so given to us, okay, kalau you tengok example A ni, kita dah test pun for the exactness before, right? Okay, we have test for its exactness during our Google Meet class. Cos x plus y dx plus with 3y square plus 2y cos x plus y dy equals to 0. Okay, so here kita dah, we have now our m is cos x plus y and our n is equals to 3y square plus 2y plus cos x plus y, right? Okay, so you may choose either one of the 2 method. Okay, so katakanlah kali ni kita guna dulu u equals to integration of m, okay, dx plus with ky. Alright, m dx plus ky. Okay, so we decide to use the first formula. Alright, so what you got to do, the first step is put in m lah. So we have cos x plus y plus with ky. Okay, plus with ky. Alright, okay, take note you just need to integrate cos x plus y. ky ni kita tak payah integrate because integration only cover this one, cos x plus y dx. ky ni tak payah nak integrate lah, saya tinggal dx tadi. Okay, so maknanya saya tak asing kat sini, integration of cos x plus y dx. Okay, differentiate cos. Maybe some of you confused ni macam mana ni ada x plus y. Worry not, kalau you confused tu, you boleh let u equals to x tambah y. So now we need to respect to x ke y, we need to integrate respect to x. So du over dx definitely equals to 1. So tak ada issue pun. So you're going to have integrate of cos u du. So because du over ds is equals to 1. So integrate cos, you will get negative sin. Negative ke positif? Positif. Positive sin u. Okay, positive sin u, tak payah plus c lagi. Dengar tak perlu plus with c yet. So meaning that your answer is going to be sin x plus y. Alright, done. Okay, so maknanya kita punya u kat sini adalah sin x plus y plus with ky. So this is our u class. Okay, clear? First step, kita identify the formula that you want to use, which is, for now, I'm using m integration of m dx plus ky. Second step, gantikan m with cos x plus y from the equation here. Third step, solve the integration for m dx too. Then now, coming to the next step. Okay, next step, what will you need to do is we are going to partially differentiate u with respect to y. Okay, we are going to differentiate u with respect to y. Okay, we are going to differentiate u with respect to y. So we have del u over del y. Differentiate sin, you will get apa? Yang ni kita dah buat kan, cos x plus y, right? Cos x plus y respect to y. Okay, darab dengan 1 lah. Kan, darab dengan 1. You differentiate inside respect to y, you get 1. And then plus this one, meaning that this is going to be del k over del y. Okay, del k over del y. Alright. Okay. So here, okay, this is what you need to understand. Okay, so now we have del u del y equals to cos x plus y tambah dengan del k del y. Okay, ingat tak kelas? Kita ada kat sini kan? Okay, so this is our m and this is our n dy, right? Prior to that, kita ada sebelum ni du ni is equals to, ingat tak? Kita ada del x dx. Silap pula. Del u, okay, del u over del x plus dx plus with del u over del y dy. Ingat tak ni? Okay, the first slide of second part lecture notes here. Saya scroll sekejap laju-laju. This one. Ingat tak? Okay, beginning of lecture last masa our Google Meet class. Maknanya yang ni adalah kita punya apa? Del u over del x ni adalah kita punya m. Del u over del y is kita punya n. Right? Okay, from here kita let m and n. Right? So, maknanya kat sini, okay, this one is our del u over del x dx and this is our del u over del y n. Okay, the whole term. Maknanya ni adalah kita punya del u over del y and this is our del u over del x. Okay, because this is du. Okay, kita dah buktikan kan equation ni exact during our lecture Google Meet class. So maknanya it should satisfy all these things lah. Okay, so maknanya kita what we have now, okay, all the way long kita dapat del u over del y is equals to this, meaning that this is actually equals to our n. Nampak tak? Is equals to our n, which is our n is equals to 3y square plus 2y plus cos x plus y. Okay, so dari sini, by having this equation, you now are able to define what is your del k del y. See? You are now able to define what is your del k del y. Your del k del y now is equals to 3y square plus 2y. Okay. Nampak tak? Ni equation kita ni. Ni. Okay, equals to this. So, maknanya Del K del Y, to dapat del K del Y, you just have to bawa ni cos X plus Y to your right hand side. So it will be cancelled with this. So what you have is only del K del Y is equals to 3Y square plus 2Y. Faham semua? This is the next step. Okay, first step tadi apa? First step tadi identify what is M and N. Second step, okay, you use the formula U equals to integration of M dx plus KY. Third step, solve the integration, so you get U equals to this. Fourth step, you differentiate U respect to Y, del Y. And now you compare the next step, okay, the fifth step, you compare, okay, del U, del Y that you differentiate from 3 is equals to N here. So your N obtained from the questions, okay, 3Y square plus 2Y plus cos X plus Y. Alright, so dari sini kita dapat K kita. Okay, del K del Y is equals to 3Y square plus 2Y. So, sebab kenapa kita perlu cari del K del Y ni? Sebab sebenarnya kita dah ada jawapan untuk awak punya solution, for our solution here, where this is our answer. U equals to sin X plus Y plus with KY. But we do not have what is the function for KY. Now we are on the way to obtain the value for KY, or the function for KY. So how to get KY? Okay, now we have del K del Y. Very simple. Okay, you just need to integrate. So from here we get KY is equals to integrate, okay, this with respect to Y. Okay, when you integrate this, okay, it will cancel. Saya patut buat macam ni lah. Okay, is equals to 3Y square plus 2Y del Y here. Okay, kat belah kanan. Tak boleh letak kat sini lagi. Dia tak balance. Okay, so easily this one, you can just integrate this. You will get, okay, 3Y square respect to Y. Takkan tak tahu kot. You will get Y cube plus 2Y square over 2. So you will get Y square. And kat sini kalau nak tambah C pun, you dah boleh tambah dengan C. Clear everyone? Okay, so now we already have our KY. So you can put inside your solution here. Okay, so makna kata jawapan akhir you adalah U equals to sin X plus Y plus with Y cube plus Y square plus C. Done. Senang kan? Alright, so now let's try. Kalau tadi kita guna formula ni kan, so now let's try the second method. Second method macam mana? Second method kita guna N, integration of N dy plus with, dalam formula saya letak ix. The answer should be this one. Jawapan sepatutnya sama. Alright. Okay, so let's quickly try for second approach. Okay, so using the second method, maknanya untuk dapat u, we'll use n dy, integrate n respect to dy, and then plus with I x. Right? So here, okay, our n is 3y square plus 2y plus with cos x plus y tambah dengan I x. Alright? Okay, so integrate lah macam biasa. 3y square plus, 3y square respect to dy. Sama saya tertinggal dy ni. Okay, dy kat belakang tu. So integrate 3y square, you dapat y cube plus with 2y integrate, you dapat y square, and then integrate cos x plus y. Yang ni saya tak payah worksheet lah. Saya tak boleh nak to explain further. Directly you get the answer sin x plus y. Okay, then plus with, tak payah tambah c lagi, as I said before, I x. So this is your u. Okay, the next step. The step nombor apa ni? Step nombor 2 kan? You integrate u. Okay, you got integrate, you dapat, solve the integration, you dapat u. Next step is to differentiate, yang ni del u over del apa? Okay, you are to integrate this with respect to x. Okay, differentiate. You need to differentiate this with respect to x. Del u over del x. So, differentiate y cube, definitely 0. Differentiate y square, definitely 0. Differentiate sin x plus y, you will get cos x plus y. And differentiate I x, you get del over del x I x. Okay, so now kita punya ni adalah untuk cari apa value del I over del x kat sini. Remember, yang ni del u over del x is sama dengan m. Right, tadi kan kita ada del u over del y sama dengan n. Okay, so we have del u over del x sama dengan n. So, our n is 3y square plus 2y plus cos x plus y. So, by comparing macam tadi, this time, okay. Tersilap. Okay, I made a mistake here, right? Okay, I made a mistake. What is my mistake? What is my mistake? Tadi saya cakap this is del u over del x is equals to m. Right, this is supposed to be m. Betul ke ni m? Is this correct m? No, this is n. Adah, okay, puasa. Okay, sorry. So this is supposed to be, apa jawapan dia? Cos x plus y, right? Cos x plus y. Ni kita punya n. Ni kita punya m. Makan. Cos x plus y. Alright, so daripada sini kita dapat del I over del x kita sama dengan berapa then? Nampaknya sama dengan kosong. So with this, kalau sama dengan kosong, kita ibaratkan kosong ni adalah a constant. Sebab differentiate any constant, you will get 0 kan. So this one, del x darab dengan kosong. Okay, when you integrate, you should get c lah semata. Only the constant. So your I is equals to c. So maknanya, jawapan akhir kita adalah y cube plus y square plus with sin x plus y plus c. Sama tak dengan jawapan kita yang tadi, yang kita guna formula integration of m dx plus iy? Sama kan? So now, hopefully everybody understand using this method. Tak adalah susah sangat pun kan? Alright, so we'll proceed in the next video for the next example. Okay.